Today we're talking about enhancing security measures in your rental property to provide peace of mind for your tenants. Ensuring the safety and security of your rental property is not only crucial for the well-being of your tenants, but also for protecting your investment. Let's explore some practical steps you can take to enhance security and create a safer living environment for everyone. First and foremost, installing high-quality locks on all entry points is essential. Deadbolt locks provide an added layer of security and can deter potential intruders. Consider upgrading to smart locks that allow for keyless entry and remote monitoring, giving you greater control over who has access to the property. Next, investing in outdoor lighting can significantly improve security around your rental property. Motion-activated lights can deter trespassers and provide visibility during nighttime hours. Additionally, well-lit pathways and common areas can help prevent accidents and make tenants feel safer when coming and going from the property. Another important aspect of security is installing a robust security system. This can include surveillance cameras, doorbell cameras, and alarm systems that can alert both you and your tenants to any suspicious activity. Having visible security cameras can act as a deterrent to potential criminals and provide valuable evidence in the event of a security breach. It's also essential to conduct regular inspections of the property to identify any security vulnerabilities. This includes checking for broken windows, damaged locks, or areas where intruders could gain access to the property. Addressing these issues promptly can help prevent security incidents and give your tenants peace of mind. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we understand the importance of security in rental properties. That's why we offer comprehensive property management services that include implementing and maintaining robust security measures. From installing high-quality locks to monitoring surveillance cameras, we take every precaution to ensure the safety and security of your rental properties and tenants. If you're looking for a property management company that prioritizes security and tenant satisfaction, look no further than Alpine Property Management, Kansas City. Our experienced team is here to provide you with the peace of mind you need to confidently entrust us with your rental properties. In addition to physical security measures, it's crucial to educate your tenants about safety protocols and emergency procedures. Provide them with information on how to secure windows and doors properly, as well as what to do in case of a fire, flood, or other emergency situation. Conducting regular safety drills can help ensure that everyone knows what to do in an emergency and can react quickly to protect themselves and the property. Furthermore, fostering a sense of community among your tenants can also contribute to enhanced security. Encourage them to look out for one another and report any suspicious activity to you or the authorities promptly. Building a strong rapport with your tenants can create a supportive environment where everyone feels invested in maintaining a safe and secure living space. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we take a proactive approach to security by implementing comprehensive security measures and fostering a sense of community among our tenants. Our goal is to create rental properties where tenants feel safe, secure, and valued, ensuring a positive rental experience for everyone involved. If you're ready to take the next step in enhancing security at your rental properties, contact Alpine Property Management, Kansas City today. Let us show you how our expertise and dedication to security can benefit your investment and provide peace of mind for you and your tenants. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights into property management and real estate investing.